In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Google Doc to the web, making it easy for anyone to view your document online. Whether you're sharing a school project, a work presentation, or a personal document, publishing it online can make access straightforward and seamless for everyone. So let's get started and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to open the Google Doc you want to publish. It's crucial to ensure that your document is finalized because any changes you make will immediately reflect on the published version. Open your document and take one last look through it. Check for any typos, formatting issues, or final edits you might need to make. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Publish option. To do this, go to the top of your Google Doc window and click on File in the top menu. As you scroll down through the options, you'll find Share. Hover over Share and then select Publish to Web from the submenu. This will prepare your document for publication and you'll soon see a pop-up window guiding you through the next steps. Now let's go ahead and publish the document. In the pop-up window, you'll find the Publish button. Click on this button to initiate the publication process. You may be prompted with a confirmation box asking if you're sure you want to publish the document. Select OK to confirm your choice. It's important to remember that publishing a document makes it publicly accessible to anyone with the link. So, before you finalize this step, ensure you're comfortable with the document being available online. Once your document is published, Google Docs will generate a unique link just for this version of your document. Copying this link is the final step in sharing it with others. Simply highlight the link provided, right-click, and select Copy. With this link ready to go, you can share it via email, social media, or any other platform you choose. It's a great way to distribute your information widely and efficiently. Anyone with this link will be able to view the published version of your document even if they don't have access to Google Docs. They won't need to request permission or sign in, so sharing becomes effortless. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to publish a Google Doc to the web, making your document accessible to anyone, anywhere. Feel free to use this method whenever you need to share your Google Docs efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.